Hi guys, it's Squid, and today I'm back with another video. This time I'm going to be opening my season reward. So I got a rare drop, a very rare drop, and an import drop. So if we go to my garage, go on to manage inventory, go ahead and go over the drops. So we're gonna open the rare drop first. Hopefully it's something good. A rare, as expected. We got some claw topper wheels, okay. Next, a very rare drop. So hopefully this will be something good. Dual Octane, we got a very rare, and it's a Takumi. Now, right. So this right here is a very good drop. You can only get it for completing all 22 challenges from here. It says complete 22 free season challenges to earn the season reward. As you can see, I've done all stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and then I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 challenges from stage 4. So I'm getting close to it. So please, I'm hoping it's something good. Oh, but no, my luck. It's gonna be dog water. Ooh, it's an import. And a tumbling blocks. At the back, because it's white, I kind of thought it was a white octane or any sort of octane, but it's terrible. Like, oh, it's so terrible. Oh, and why me? God damn it! Why me? Oh, I got. Oh, that sucks. Well, that's all from me, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that little bell to be notified of all the videos I upload. And yeah, that crate opening sucked. I never get anything good from crates. And yeah, that's all from me, guys. Bye.